Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block and activate your Chase card. It's a very simple process, but stay with me until the end because I'm going straight to the point, and you don't want to miss anything. First, we need to log into the Chase app. Once inside, we'll select the card we want to block or activate. Click on the three dots that appear to the right of the card, and then scroll down until you see the Account Services option. There, on the far right, you'll see a lock icon that says Lock and Unlock Card. Select that option, and at the top, you'll see the status of the card. In my case, it's unlocked, meaning it's active. To block it, simply click on the lock icon, which will turn blue and close, indicating the card is now blocked. If you want to activate it again, click the button once more. The lock will turn gray and open, showing that the card is now active and no longer blocked.